Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Agung. I come from Senior High School, Kape Pasir. I live in Sanding. I am 16 years old. My hobby is read book. Let me introduce my family members. There are 7 people in my family. My father name is Ahmad Bahtiar. My father worked in factory. My mother name is Lia Mulyani. She is a housewife. My brother, I don't have older brother. My older sister Carolina. She is a student. We live at Sanding, RT1, RW7, Pasai, Kabupaten. I had their brother. They are still in school and not yet in school. We are family. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.